everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this class we will go on with the new topic, that is adaptive radiation. So what is this adaptive radiation? In the word itself it has its meaning where the organisms get radiated from a single stock and they start to adapt themselves to their with respect to or to their environment. So that is called as the adaptive radiation. So see here, can you see the birds here which are called as the Darwin finches? Why they are called as the Darwin finches? Because Darwin, he used to travel the world. So in a ship called HMS Beagle. So it is the name of the ship in which Darwin traveled. Through this ship, Darwin traveled and in an island called Galapagos. This is an island called Galapagos. See, have a look over here. If this is a Galapagos island, what this Darwin observed is he saw many birds that too are of the different species in a single geographical area. So he called it as the adaptive radiation. How? Because if this is a common ancestral bird, or think in this island they were only seed eating birds. But later, due to their needs and due to their food habits, some of the birds they got diverted into cactus eating birds, or you can say plant eating birds, and some other insect eating birds, and some other with the woodpeckers which feed on the wood, and some others fruit eating birds. So from a common stock, these all species got arised. So that's why it is the adaptive radiation, because these all birds they itself got adapted to their needs, because this cactus eating bird wanted to feed on the cactus, so it adapted to cactus eating bird, and in the same way the insects, woodpeckers and also the fruit eating birds. Here we can see the divergent evolution, right? Do you remember? So divergent evolution is nothing but from a common ancestor these species got diverted. So this is also the example for the divergent evolution. I think it is clear with you. So let's go on with the one more example, that is marsupial adaptation or the marsupial mammals. So have you heard the word marsupials? Yes. We know that mammals are categorized into three parts. That is the prototheria, which are egg-laying mammals, and marsupials, which are pouch-bearing mammals, and also the last eutheria, which are placental mammals, which will be bearing the placenta in them. So the next example for this adaptive radiation is marsupial mammals. That too Australian. So in Australia, in an island of Australia, okay, there lived many common marsupial mammals, okay, which were pouch bearing mammals. So in this island, these marsupial mammals, due to their needs, they too got radiated into many forms, and they formed the many species from a common species. For example, tiger cat, which is the marsupial mammal, and also the wombat, okay, and also the flying phalange, and also the mole, Australian mole. So these all organisms are the marsupial mammals. These organisms also got diverted, okay, and they started adopting their needs with respect to the environment where they survive. For example, these mammals used to survive in an Australian island. So due to that with respect to that environment, these mammals created or they themselves took a ability to get adapted to this Australian environment. So in the same case, in this Australia, in the same island, there lived a common placental mammals also. Placental mammals. They too, due to their needs, they too started radiating in this island and they started adapting to the same environment. Due to this, these mammals and also these marsupials got the analogous structure. Analogous structure. Why? Because they will be having the need of surviving in the similar environment, right? If we need to survive in a water, we need to have the fins, right? In the same way, in this region, they developed the same feature to survive in this island. So they are called as the analogous structure which perform the same function. And this is one of the example for the convergent evolution. Why? Because see here, the marsupial mammals and also the placental mammals, they are different, right? But they will perform the same function with a different structure. They are the analogous structure, and that's why it is the convergent evolution. So this is also one of the example for the adaptive radiation. For example, we just cannot bring the snow bear in a desert region. In the same way, we cannot take out the camel from the desert to the snow region because they won't be having the capability to survive over there. So due to their needs, what these organisms do is, they will get or they will be adopting some of the abilities or the features to survive in that particular environment. So this is called as the adaptive radiation, where these organisms, they radiate and form the different species from a single parental species. So this is about the adaptive radiation, and if you find any doubt regarding this, you can comment out and ask me any doubts with regarding to this. So if you find my videos are useful to you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and press the bell icon. Till that, take care. Next class we'll study about some more interesting topics which are related with the evolution. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Take care.